Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2024 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, front wheel drive, headlights auto off, mirror memory, traction control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.